In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add price volume trend indicators in TradingView Pro, quick and easy guide. Let's get started right on your TradingView chart. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open for any asset you want to analyze. This could be a stock, a crypto pair, or a forex pair. It doesn't matter which one, as long as you can see the main price chart on your screen. At the top of your chart, you'll see a toolbar with several options. Look for the button labeled Indicators. It's usually toward the upper part of the interface. Go ahead and click on that. When you do, a panel will pop up that gives you access to a huge library of tools you can add to your chart. Inside this panel, you'll notice different tabs or categories. One of the main sections you'll want to focus on is called Technicals. Click on Technicals to narrow things down to the most commonly used indicators for price and volume analysis. This helps you filter out the noise and makes it easier to find what you're looking for. Once you're in the Technicals section, look for the search bar, usually at the top of the panel. This is where you can quickly locate any specific indicator by name instead of scrolling through a long list. Click into that search field so your cursor is active and ready to type. Now, start typing price volume trend. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the available indicators. You should see price volume trend appear in the search results. When it shows up, simply click on it once. TradingView will immediately add the price volume trend indicator to your chart, typically in a separate pane below your main price chart. You'll see it plotted as a line that combines both price movement and volume, giving you a sense of how strong a trend really is based on trading activity. From here, you can customize it if you'd like. You can adjust its color, thickness, or visibility by hovering over the indicator's name on the chart and opening its settings. This isn't required, but it can help make your chart cleaner and easier to read. If you're not already using TradingView Pro and you want access to the same tools and layout shown in this video, use the link in my description to sign up. That way, you'll be able to follow along exactly and start using the price volume trend indicator in your own trading.